Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a search bar to Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So just wait for your dashboard to load. Then once you're here, go to the left. And here, if you go to the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site. And then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the Wix website editor. So once you're here, just go here to the left, and then you're going to find all of these tools that will help you design and customize your site. Right here, for example, you're going to find the option to add elements, add sections, pages and menus, site design, add apps, and so on. So right now, just go to the plus icon or add element, give it a click, and then here, as you can see, guys, you can add all of these elements right here. You can add a text element, image, button, strip, decorative, and so on. So right now you need to search here for menu and anchor. And once you find menu and anchor, you're going to find menus, in-page navigation, and search. Go down to search, and then here you're going to find Wix site search. Give visitors an easy way to search your site. Go ahead and click on the plus icon to add it to your site, and then just wait for it to be added to your Wix site. And then once added, this is how it will look like. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.